Out there, in the silent void of space, exist the most terrifying objects in the universe: black holes, invisible monsters that swallow light, crush stars, and warp reality itself for decades. We've believed black holes are cosmic graves, places where matter, energy, and even time itself meet their end. But what if we've been wrong? What if black holes aren't ends, but beginnings? What if they are portals? Imagine this: a star collapses, its core imploding, its gravity so strong that nothing escapes, not even light. To us, it looks like death. But beyond the event horizon, the point of no return, what if there is not destruction, but passage? A doorway to somewhere else. Where could it lead? One possibility: another part of our universe fall into a black hole near Earth, and perhaps you emerge light years away, in a galaxy no telescope has ever seen. Black holes, then, would not be tombs but shortcuts, cosmic tunnels connecting the farthest reaches of space. What we call wormholes might not be science fiction, but reality hiding inside the shadows of black holes. Or perhaps black holes are bridges to other universes, every collapse creating not death, but birth, a new universe budding from the old, with its own laws, its own stars, its own story. In that case, our universe may have been born from a black hole in another, and every black hole we see might be seeding realities beyond imagination, infinite universes, infinite possibilities, infinite realities, each one hidden behind the darkness. But here's the danger. What happens to anything that falls in? Matter is crushed, time stretched, atoms torn apart. Could anything survive the passage? Or would you be ripped to pieces before reaching the other side? Maybe only information passes through encoded, transformed while the rest is destroyed. Or maybe survival demands technology we do not yet possess, starships built not to fight gravity, but to ride it, civilizations advanced enough to dive into black holes, traveling between worlds like doors in the dark. And here's haunting thought: if black holes are portals, who says no one has already used them? Advanced beings could travel the universe unseen, slipping through these cosmic gateways. Aliens, not crossing stars with ships, but with shortcuts hidden in the hearts of galaxies. But the truth might be even stranger. Einstein's equations suggest that time itself twists inside a black hole. If they are portals, maybe they don't lead only to other places, but to other times. Black holes as windows to the past or the future, the ultimate time machines, written into the fabric of reality. Now imagine humanity one day reaching that level. Ships built to dive into the abyss. A crew staring into the swirling maw, knowing that crossing means no return. Would they find another galaxy, another universe, another era, or only endless night? But there's a darker possibility. What if black holes are portals not outwards, but inwards, gateways not to other universes, but to the deepest truths of our own? Perhaps falling into one is not travel, but revelation, a passage into the fundamental code of reality, itself the place where existence is written. Black holes then wouldn't just be doors, they would be secrets. So, what if black holes are portals? Then the universe is not a prison, but a labyrinth, a web of doors scattered across the stars, waiting to be unlocked. Humanity would not be trapped on its small planet, nor even in its small galaxy. We would live in a multiverse of endless frontiers. But until we know, black holes remain both wonder and terror. They may be endings or beginnings, graves or gateways, death or destiny. The answer lies in the darkness, and one day we may have to step through it.